The Lord bless you in defeating your enemies who rise up against you. Deuteronomy 28:7. The Lord would send a blessing on your barns. Deuteronomy 28:8. The Lord bless you in everything you put your hands on. Deuteronomy 28:8. The Lord bless you and make all the people of the earth fear you. Deuteronomy 28:10. The Lord bless you with abundance of prosperity. Deuteronomy 28:11. The Lord bless you, opening the storehouses of His treasures in heaven. Deuteronomy 28:12. The Lord bless you in making you the head and not the tail. Deuteronomy 28:14. The Lord bless you and increase your years in the land. Deuteronomy 30:20. The Lord bless you, never leaving you nor forsaking you. Deuteronomy 31:6. The Lord bless you with the precious things of heaven. Deuteronomy 33:13. The Lord bless you with the precious dew from heaven and the deep waters that lie beneath. Deuteronomy 33:13. The Lord bless you with the choicest gift of ancient mountains. Deuteronomy 33:15. The Lord bless you with the best gifts of the earth and its fullness thereof. Deuteronomy 33:16. The Lord bless you with His favor upon your head. Deuteronomy 33:16. The Lord bless you with the abundance of the seas and with the treasures hidden in the sand. Deuteronomy 33:19. The Lord bless you in being your shield and your helper. Deuteronomy 33:29. The Lord bless you in saving you and being your glorious sword. Deuteronomy 33:29. The Lord bless you in defeating your enemies. Deuteronomy 33:29. The Lord bless you and give you the very place you set your foot on. Joshua 1:3. The Lord bless you, for no one would be able to stand against you all the days of your life. Joshua 1:5. The Lord bless you in doing amazing things among you. Joshua 3:5. The Lord bless you and exalt you in the eyes of all. Joshua 3:7. The Lord bless you in driving out all your enemies from among you. Joshua 3:10. The Lord bless you and give you the land for an inheritance, wherever you placed your feet on, to you and to your children forever. Joshua 14:9. The Lord bless you in having dominion over the nobles among the people. Judges 5:13. The Lord bless you and be with you. Judges 6:6. The Lord bless you with peace and not with fear. Judges 6:23. The Lord bless you with His goodness. Judges 17:13. The Lord bless you, repaying you for what you have done. Ruth 2:12. The Lord bless you in making you famous and worthy. Ruth 4:11. The Lord bless you, giving you wealth. 1 Samuel 2:7. The Lord bless you, lifting you from the dust. 1 Samuel 2:8. The Lord bless you in lifting the needy from the dust. 1 Samuel 2:8. The Lord bless you, making you sit with the princes. 1 Samuel 2:8. The Lord bless you in making you inherit the throne of glory. 1 Samuel 2:8. The Lord bless you, exalting the horn of His anointed. 1 Samuel 2:10. The Lord bless you, giving you children. 1 Samuel 2:20. The Lord bless you, saving you, whether you be many or few. 1 Samuel 14:6. The Lord bless you in granting you long life and good health to you, your household, and to all that you have. 1 Samuel 25:6. The Lord bless you, giving you a lasting dynasty. 1 Samuel 25:28. The Lord bless you, delivering you from all the troubles. 1 Samuel 26:24. The Lord bless you, helping you to do great things and giving you trump. 1 Samuel 26:25. The Lord bless you, showing you kindness and faithfulness. 2 Samuel 2:6. The Lord bless you, showing His power against your enemies before you. 2 Samuel 5:20. The Lord bless you, going out in front of you to destroy your enemies. 2 Samuel 5:24. The Lord bless you, giving you rest from all your enemies. 2 Samuel 7:11. The Lord bless you in establishing your house. 2 Samuel 7:11. The Lord bless you in establishing your throne forever. 2 Samuel 7:13. The Lord bless you, promising his goodness unto you. 2 Samuel 7:28. The Lord bless you and bless your house forever. 2 Samuel 7:29. The Lord bless you with his kindness and faithfulness. 2 Samuel 15:20.